A warm greetings to everyone. Agriculture Makers in Mission IBPS AFO welcomes you to this video and happy to see you all again. And in this video, we are going to see the important questions for IBPS AFO mains in horticulture part 3. And come on, let's get into the video. Firstly, the monophagous pest of banana is rhizome weevil, that is Cosmopolitus sordorius. Exanthema in citrus is caused due to copper deficiency. You have to keep all those deficiencies in mind because they are found to be very much important. The flowering time in Ambe Bahar in case of pomegranate is said to be January to February. You have to remember the other two Bahars also, that is Mrig and Haste. In Mrig, it is said to be June, July, and Haste it is said to be October, November. Never forget this, it is very important. Fruit necrosis in Anla is due to boron deficiency. Boron deficiency leads to fruit necrosis in Anla. Element that is universally deficient in grapes is said to be magnesium. Calyx end rot of grapes is due to calcium deficiency. Before we have seen that exanthema in citrus is due to copper deficiency. Chili mosaic is transmitted by white flies, that is Bemisia tabaci, as like yellow vein mosaic virus in Bendy. Fruit type of cabbage is said to be Siliqua. The antifungal factor present in onion is said to be catechol, whereas the antibacterial factor present in garlic is said to be allicin. The variety of carrot which has highest amount of vitamin A is said to be Pusa mehali. Pillow disease of cucumber is due to calcium deficiency. Yellow fleshed variety of watermelon, usually watermelon is red fleshed, but in case of Durgapura Kesar it is yellow fleshed. Maturity of pea is measured by tenrometer. Never forget this. In fruit preservation, KMS, that is potassium metabisulfite, works on the principle to check the growth of bacteria and fungi, whereas sodium benzoate works on the principle to check the growth of yeast. Keep in mind, whereas KMS is used to preserve colorless foods, whereas sodium benzoate is used to preserve colored foods. Yellow leaf of citrus is due to molybdenum deficiency. All the cole crops are said to be protogynous in nature. This protogynous in nature refers to maturation of stigma before the stamen. And carpine, which is used as diuretic and heart stimulant, is extracted from a papaya, that is Carica papaya. Bronzing in Goa is due to zinc deficiency. Never forget this, bronzing is due to zinc deficiency. The edible part of allspice, your Pimenta dioica, is said to be berry, that is dried fruits are said to be edible in case of your allspice. The scientific name of cashew is Anacardium occidental, belonging to the family Anacardiaceae. Your mango also belongs to the same family. The bitter principle in bitter gourd, that is your Mammodica charantia, is said to be mammodicin.
The scientific name itself gives the compound, and it is easy to remember too. And next to this, it is the king of arid fruit crops. It is ber. In normal, the king of fruits is said to be mango, whereas the king of temperate fruits is said to be your apple. Keep in mind all those things.
Cucumber is said to be non-climatic in nature. That is, it does not undergo any respiration after it is harvested, whereas watermelon is said to be climatic in nature. Cucumber is non-climatic, whereas your watermelon is climatic. Tomato is day neutral in nature, which means it does not have any response over the photoperiodic change. Usually, most of the solanaceous crop are said to be day neutral in nature, whereas potato is a long day in case of flowering, whereas in tuberization point of view, it is short day in nature. Remember this, that is very much important. Pomegranate is propagated through hardwood cuttings. Remember, it is not just a cutting, it is hardwood cutting. The multiple disease resistant variety of radish is said to be Arka Nishant, released from your IIHR. Pollination in onion is mediated by honeybees. Before we have seen that pollination in mango is mediated by your house flies. Biggest formal garden that is found in India is said to be in Mysore. Pink berry is common in Thompson seedless variety of grapes, and this pink berry is due to high temperature. And next to this, enzyme that is present in the dried latex of papaya is said to be your pepsin. The indicator for tristeza, that is this species of citrus, is said to be very much susceptible to this virus, and it is your Kagzi lime, that is Citrus aurantifolia. The art of training plant in different shapes is said to be topiary, and this topiary is said to be an important key part in all the gardens, and people are said to be very much attracted to those type of training. And this is all about this video, and with this we are concluding, and I hope the content will be very much useful to you, and thank you for all your support and cooperation. Keep watching and do subscribe our channel.